Everyone, back to yoga and stretching. Got my hair up. It's really hot, but this sun is behind the clouds right now, so I'm gonna try to do it right now. Well, it is behind the clouds, and then get new shoes too. But yeah, I'm gonna take them off. Take them off. All right, we're gonna stretch, stretch. Yeah, be careful. I got short shorts on today, so come back. Hang on. All right, we're gonna do a stand up first. We're just gonna swing our arms, shake. We're gonna twist, do the twist and shout. Just stand how you feel comfortable. 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's a nice breeze. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, let's do. We're gonna do arm stretching out. Neck back. Arms back. All right, we're gonna sit down. Sometimes. So wait, this way. Nobody can see me from that way. All right. Oh, now the sun's coming out. Will it stretch it? Oh, it kind of hurts my hip there. So I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna do this. Kind of bring it all the way down. Let's do this side. Oh, that side. Oh, yes. I need to have my hair, but do the using like a fan because it's on my neck too much. Whatever. All right, so I'm gonna straighten our back. I know this is your favorite. This is you guys' favorite position. Stretching in yoga. So we're just gonna go back and keep our arms forward. I'm gonna title this, "Does yoga and stretching cause accidents in public?" That was one of the suggestions on YouTube. For a title. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna title it that. Does it cause accidents when you do yoga and stretching in public? What do you guys think of that? I had one person wave at me, and I'm in my own yard, but they can see me from the road though. But I'm not. My butt's not pointed to the road though. Okay. Okay. Ah. Okay. What else am I gonna do? All right. Alright. So we're just gonna straighten her back and bring up my arms in the back and hold it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We made it to 8 minutes, guys, today. Whew. It's a hot day, and it's been only 2 days since I did it, so I gotta take it easy. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you go out and get fresh air too. And it's important every day to get fresh air. All right. God bless everybody. Have a good day. Thanks for subscribing, you guys. I am celebrating every day now. My channel made it to 1,000, you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed. I feel so blessed. Thank God. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.